Hello guys and welcome to my channel MIM Journey, where we share all the details that you need before applying to any MIM course or while deciding the colleges which you should go for your master's program. So in this video we'll talk about a very common doubt that people have. Ki GMAT is the only way to make sure you get a place in the desired program in like top B schools like Imperial, LBS, LSE, or like whatever that college you have in mind. But today I'll share my personal experience. So I have just finished my masters from Imperial College London. I did MSc in International Management, and I did not have a good GMAT score. I just had the score of 630, but I still ended up getting the offer letter from Imperial, and as you can see, I finished the course as well. So you have to understand that GMAT is just 20 to 30% of your entire application process, and that won't define or give you a guarantee that if you have a good GMAT score, you will end up getting in a good college, or if you don't have a good GMAT score, you cannot apply or you cannot get into a good GMAT, the desired college. So I realized because I applied in the late May, around last week of May 2022, which was the last few days before the deadline, and I did not take any help from the consultant or any kind of other students. I did it entirely on my own because I wanted to be very straightforward, very genuine. I did not want to lie about anything. I just wanted to share my experience, share my story, what I have done through SOPs and through the essay questions that was there in Imperial. So at the same time I applied to SADE, ESSEC, and I also got offer letters from these colleges as well, because only these three colleges were available for the application process during that time. So guys, you have to understand, even if you have a below average GMAT score like 610, 630, 650, like as you compare it with the average the score of 710 or 700 in my course, for example, I still ended up because I focused on my resume. You have to make sure that your resume is literally up to the mark. It is full of numbers, analytics, and it's just not just a way of writing in very simpler words or something. You have to quantify the stuff. You have to prove them that how you as a candidate are the perfect fit for their program in their esteemed organization, in their esteemed institution. And also you have to make sure that the SOPs that you're writing, the statement or the essays that you are writing, which reflects your interest in the college, or which reflects why you are a suitable candidate. You should try and formulate a story right from, I guess, 10th grade, right from your schooling, that how everything you did, how every course failure or success that you have done in this due course of time was actually beneficial for you to reach at your the ultimate goal. So you have to make sure in your SAP you cover up the low score of GMAT by writing a very crisp and very like something which is very understandable easily, and something which proves the point that even if you have got lower marks in GMAT, doesn't mean you are not the right candidate, right? So don't worry about it. Even if you have a low GMAT score, focus on your SOPs, focus on your resumes, focus on the understand what exactly the goals and the objectives of the course are, so that you try to frame your statements, your essays around that. Basically, in the entire application process, when the college is looking for your application, they look for if this person is right suitable, if he's very clear about his goals, his objectives, and if he has done his past experiences, past courses, past whatever you might have done, the internships, your different courses, your graduation, and everything is aligning with your ultimate goal, right? And do not try to hide any kind of let's just say failures if you might have. Even if you have a low score in your overall GPA of your graduation college, or even if you are not really you don't have much of an internship experience, but try to cover up all your failures, that to convince the person who's checking your application that whatever you did, whatever happened, actually helped you shape into the person that you are right now, and you are currently aiming towards your goal. And they should sound like, even if you, for example, are applying to a college, even if they don't let you in, even then you would end up being successful, right? It's just that you have to prove the point with the college, with the help of the college, the alumni and the network. You would be able to achieve your goal in a very quicker time, and that should be the overall aim. So don't worry guys, don't get disheartened if your score is low and you don't have enough time to reapply or sit for the exam again. If your score is like around 600 also, you can still apply to the colleges. Still apply to the colleges and still end up getting the admission, like just how I did. It's all about your determination, it's all about the experience, your the persuasive factor that you have in your SOPs and in your resumes. So focus on that, do not worry, and I hope you get into the college that you need.